Hello, this is our screencast video for our CS2400 Project 1 done by Coding Till We Die. My name is Kevin.
My name is Hemil.
And my name's Sean.
So this is our bag interface, which contains all the prototypes, which contains the headers for all the methods that will be utilized in both resizable array bag and then link bag.
All right, so next we've got the resizable array bag.java. And basically what we did is we took all of the methods from the slides that we were going to use in our union, intersection, and difference. And we use those to write the three methods. And so for the difference, basically what it does is it checks if both bags are empty. And if not, it copies both of the bags. And if the new bag that we made contains what's in the second bag, it removes it from the new bag.
In the union method, we're gonna first check if both bags are empty. If so, then we're gonna simply return an empty bag. Otherwise, we're gonna copy the first bag into the new bag and then copy the second bag into the new bag. And then we'll simply return the union of the two bags back to the caller. And in the intersection, we are also checking to see if the bags are empty. If so, then we're returning an empty bag. Otherwise, we're going to have nested loops that um, goes to each entry of the bags. And then if there are any overlapping entries, then we'll add it to the new bag. Um, and then we're also going to check to see if the overlapping entries have been added to the bag already. If so, we break out of the for loop. And after having the overlapping entries in the new bag, we'll return back to the caller.
Okay, so for the link bag, it's pretty much similar to the array bag. In this, we went ahead and put the required methods which we need for this particular class. We took some methods from the slides and implemented those in here.
All the union intersection methods and difference methods in the link bag are very similar to resizable array bag, since we are utilizing the two array method in order to maintain the bag easier and have better index to all the bags.
All right, so next we've got the resizable array bag test, where basically we wrote tests using the JUnit test framework for all of the methods. And basically we're going to run the union to test it. So the union works, then the intersection also prints correctly. And lastly, we've got the difference. And that's it for the resizable array bag test. So next we've got the linked bag test.
So similarly to the array back test, even in the link back test, we pretty much put all the methods and went ahead and put the test cases and use the JUnit file test framework to make those. And we'll go ahead and run the union, which works absolutely fine. And then the intersection, which is also good. And then in the end difference.
All right, so lastly, we've got the bag driver, which basically runs the program. And so basically what it does is it asks the user if they want to use the resizable array bag or the linked bag. And depending on their answer, it will run either of these two methods. Basically, the first one, if their choice is one for the array bag, it prints out this, which then they can choose which test case they want to use. And then we've got a bunch of different test cases laid out here for the first choice, second choice, third choice, fourth choice, and fifth choice. And then if the choice is 6, it will exit the program. And then if their choice is 2, so they can use the linked bag, it is the same, except it's using bag 3 and bag 4, because up here we have initialized bag 1 and bag 2 for resizable array, and bag 3 and bag 4 for the linked bag. And then if we print it and we run it, enter 1 for resizable array bag, we can run all of the cases and it will print out accordingly. And then we exit the program. Then we can run it again. And we've got for the linked bag, the same thing. running all of the cases, and then exit the program. And it runs everything correctly and according to how it is made in the resizable array bag and linkbag.java classes. And so that is our project. Thank you for listening to our video. We hope you found it informative and learned something. Thank you.